Welcome to Royal Crown School. So we have English and this is year one. So year one English. Thank you. So we're talking about traditional story. Traditional story, and it's all about Five Friends and the Elephant. Five Friends and the Elephant. So our learning objectives, reading. It's a read along as you listen. Do a reading comprehension. Practice sight words. Understand sequential order. Read along as you listen. Do a reading comprehension. Practice sight words. Understand sequential order. So we have a warm-up. And this warm-up, I'm going to ask you some questions. Give examples of some traditional stories. Give examples of some traditional stories you know, you've read, you've heard of it. Just give me an example of some traditional stories. And also, we're going to get learners to preview the story. So I believe we've started with the story already. So you just have to talk about the story. Give me some ideas about the story. Okay, these are some vocabulary words. We have elephant, tail, trunk, leg, side, wall, fan, wiggly, snake, rope, and chain. So these are the vocabulary words we're going to come across as we read the story. So let's talk about the story. Now the story is certain. It's from India. The title, Five Friends and the Elephant. The characters, we have the elephant and the five friends. The moral of the story, it's the importance of our five senses. Our five senses are very important. So here, this is the story. It's a read and respond. Read and respond. Before you read, listen and read to the bottom of this page. Then stop and talk. What do you think the next friend would do and say? What do you think the next friend would do and say? So the title of the story is Five Friends and the Elephant. So I read. So while I read, I want you to read along with me. A man arrives with an elephant. It's the first elephant to visit this land. Five blind friends want to meet it. They can't see it, but they can use their other senses to learn about the world. A man arrives with an elephant. It's the first elephant to visit this land. Five blind friends want to meet it. They can't see it, but they can use their other senses to learn about the world. The five friends go to meet the elephant. Can we meet your elephant, please? Of course, my elephant is tame and gentle. The first friend feels the elephant's long thin tail. The elephant feels like a rope. Now, let's go back to the question. What do you think the next friend will do and say? What do you think the next friend will do and say? I want you to give me an answer. Thank you. So let's continue. The second friend feels the elephant's side. This elephant feels like a wall. The third friend feels the elephant's leg. This elephant feels like a big, strong tree. The fourth friend feels the elephant's ear. This elephant feels like a giant fan. The fifth friend feels the elephant's trunk. This elephant feels like a long, wiggly snake. All of you are right, my friends. My elephant has many different parts, and each part feels different. Why don't you help me take care of my elephant? You can get to know the whole elephant better. The elephant smells like a horse. The elephant has a loud voice. The elephant likes the taste of apples. We like this elephant. So the 5 friends help the man take care of the elephant. They learn many different interesting things. So let's go to words to remember. Find these words in the story. We have an, to, friend, they. Now I want you to read the story and then find these words in the story and circle them. Okay, so let's get to page 91. Part of the elephant. Let's start with the activity 2, part of the elephant. Which part of the elephant feels like a wall, a rope, a snake, a tree, a giant fan? A wall, a rope, a snake, a tree, a giant fan. Now I want you to look at the elephant and go back to the story. There you will get the answers and write them down. Now let's get to activity 3. We're going to be doing a sequential order. So we have here the first, second, and the third. So what happens first, second, and third in the story? What happens first, second, and third in the story? The 5 friends touch different parts of the elephant. The 5 friends touch different parts of the elephant. The 5 friends help the man take care of the elephant. The 5 friends help the man take care of the elephant. The 5 friends hear about the elephant. They want to meet it. So now I want you to write this in a sequential order, which came first, second, and third. Now, let's look at activity 4. We have special toys for all children. Here are 2 toys that all children can enjoy together. How can blind children use these toys? How can blind children use these toys? A ball with bells. They can do what? How can they use it? A ball with bells. How can they use it? A ball with bells. How can they use it? They can hear it. They can hear it. A dice, raised dots. They can do what? They can feel it. They can feel it. When they touch the dice, they can feel it. And a ball with bells, they can hear it. They can use the senses to hear it. So let's go to the activity quickly. Part of the elephant. Look at the picture of the elephant. Write the correct words on the lines. Look at the picture of the elephant. Write the correct words on the lines. So let's look at the words in the word box. We have leg, trunk, side, tail, ear. Leg, trunk, side, tail, and ear. So, activity 3, we have read and color. Read and color. 5 elephants are walking in a line. Read the sentences. Follow the instructions. 5 elephants are walking in a line. Read the sentences. Follow the instructions. Now we have color the third elephant yellow. Which is the third elephant? You can look at it. Color the third elephant yellow. Color its ears orange. Color the first elephant gray. Color its tail red. Color the 5th elephant pink. Color its trunk purple. Color the 4th elephant blue. Draw a heart on its head. Thank you so much. So this is my dance for you. Thank you so much. and hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.